What is up, YouTube? It's your boy OtsMxtt back with another video. Today's video will be making a late night POV drive on the M550. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give you a little walk around of the car. It's looking good right now, I ain't gonna lie. It's looking pretty good. Right now, the only thing that we have done to the car is just a downpipe and a tune. That's it. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, she sound good. She sound good as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. Let me give her a rev, see how I can hear her. That shit sound crazy, bro. Yeah, that sound good, right? You know that sound good. The fuck you mean do not enter? What the fuck is going on over here? Oh yeah, I gotta come over here and take some pictures of my car. Nah, do y'all hear that turbo though? That should sound good. Nah, these hotels is fire. Nah, do y'all hear the turbos, bro? Oh my god. This should sound crazy. Yo, nah. Damn, that shit sounds good. Hold on, y'all. Why she sound like that though? Like why she sound like that though? Hold on. Why she sound like that though? Yo, the turbo sound crazy, incredible. What the fuck? Yo, nah, hold on, y'all listen. Yo, nah, oh my camera, I need a cameraman, bro. So loud as block up, right? I should just go crazy, right? See, I'm on right now. I just passed the cop. See, I won't do it. I'm not scared. I'm not a pussy. Oh, damn! I'm bugging. Fuck up my axles, bruh. she moving like that though? Why she moving like that though? Nigga, I thought you was turning. What the fuck? Bitch ass nigga. Spinning blocks, chat. We spinning blocks, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Gotta wake up. Hey, yo, these Bmw songs good. Hold on. Hey, chat, y'all hear me smacking like that though? Like, why niggas smacking like that? Turn that shit down quick. Oh, the cop turned. Oh, where them bitches at? Hold on. The fuck is all this smoke shit, bruh? Oh, them bitches lit. Oh no, why the fuck am I going over here? This is the cop territory. This is the cop territory, bro. I don't know what the fuck am I doing over here, gang. Do we give a fuck? No, we don't. BDK, nigga. BDK. Fuck is they talking about? PDK, we about to load this bitch up to it. On my Diddy, nigga. Yo, the gas smell crazy. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The gas smell crazy. Yeah, but what is up with y'all boys though, chat? How's y'all day going? How's y'all night going and shit like that? You know what I'm saying? If y'all new, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that sub button. For the boys that have been here, man, how y'all boys doing, bro? I fuck with y'all boys. You know what I'm saying? W means, bro. Y'all family, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, bitch. Oh my god. Damn, brothers on pop, nigga. What is they talking about? This is a one-way? Say word. I can't go left. I really can't go left. They lying, bro. They lying, bro. I'm going straight, bro. I'm going straight, bro. Fuck is they talking about, bro? It's late. Damn, son. That shit sound nice, ain't it? Hello. Holy fuck. Yo. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Whoever's sleeping, I'm sorry. Hey, fuck y'all niggas. Y'all niggas get the fuck up, nigga. Oh yeah, I hear the cops. Oh shit. What do I do, chat? Do I go? Do I go? Oh shit. Oh no, I'm about to get up out of here. Y'all don't hear that? Oh nah. Hey. Yo, so like the whole army's coming, nigga. Yo, I might. Yo, that shit was dumb loud. Holy fuck. Damn. Come on, y'all. Make sure y'all boys hit that like button for that one. I'm doing this for y'all. You feel me? She I wasn't that like button on God, nigga. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, this light taking way longer than usual, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Talk about something. Don't turn on red. Oh yeah. Holy fuck. Damn. Holy fuck. Yo. Nah, why she sound like this though? Like, oh yo, chat, why she sound like this though? Like, why she? Hey, yo, chat, why she sound like this though? Hold on. Nah, she moving crazy. Hold on. Let me give y'all a launch. Ready? Ready for this launch? I ain't gonna lie, it's my first time doing a launch. I ain't gonna lie. In a minute. Damn, chat. This is how crazy. Yeah. Oh yeah. I like how this shit sound. She sounded good. She talking to me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Holy fuck. Yo. Nigga almost deaf myself. Damn. Looks good over here, I ain't gonna lie, chat. Oh no, there's bitches in this shit. Run that shit, man. Oh, I gotta do it for the hoes, twin. Do it for the hoes, nigga. Oh no, these bitches junk. What the fuck? I'm crying.
Baby, I gotta slay you.
Oh shit. Oh nah, they wildin'. Oh nah, y'all wildin'. This shit sound crazy. Boys out, nigga. Yeah, it's time to get the fuck out of here. I ain't gonna lie. Hope y'all boys enjoyed this video. This video probably gonna be long. Hope y'all boys enjoy it. This is the end of the video. I'm about to head home, bro. I don't know, man. Y'all just stay tuned. More mods coming in soon. More videos coming in soon. M550 is just gonna be a beast. Make sure y'all boys hit that like button. Hit that, turn on that post notices. Hit that sub button, hit that like button. You feel me? Make sure y'all boys hit that like button. Turn on post notifications, hit that sub button. One for like. Yes, sir. Oh, that bit turn on red. If that bit turn on red, I could turn on red too, man. Over there. This shit is dumb funny. Holy fuck. Yo, chat, this shit is dumb funny. Swear to God. Anyways, y'all, this is the end of the video. Make sure y'all boys hit that like button, that sub button, that turn on that post notifications. And yeah, peace out. I'm out. You know what I'm saying? See y'all boys in the next video. I love y'all. You know what I'm saying? Hope y'all love me too. No gay shit. You feel me? Y'all, we out.